Willman Education. Welcome, dear learners. Today I am going to teach you simple interest. In short, we say SI. What is principal? The money borrowed or lent is called principal. What is called amount? The total money paid back to the money lender. Amount equals to principal plus interest. Formula for calculating simple interest, SI. SI equals to principal into rate into time divided by 100. This 100 divided by comes from the rate percent. Remember it. In short, we can say SI equals to P into R into T by 100. Sum number 1. Find the simple interest on rupees 12,000 at 4.5% for 5 years 6 months. Also find the amount. Solutions. Here we have principal equals to 12,000 rupees, rate equals to 4.5, that is 9 by 2%, time equals to 5.5 years, that is 11 by 2 years. Now we'll put them in the formula. We know SI equals to P into R into T by 100. Therefore, we can see that 12,000 rupees into 9 by 2 into 11 by 2 by 100. 120, if you cancel them, divide them, then you will get rupees 2,970. Therefore, amount equals to principal plus SI, that is 12,000 rupees plus 2,970. Total comes to 14,970. That is the answer. Here I have done the workout for your understanding. This 100 comes down, 2 comes down, and that 2 also comes down. Second question follows. Numan took a loan of rupees 80,000 from a bank on 24th January 2022 at 12.5 per annum and paid it back on 19th June 2022. Find the total amount he paid back to the bank. This is a very interesting question. Here you have to calculate the number of the days from January to June. So when you calculate, then you will understand in terms of year what is going to happen. Here solution. Principal here is 80,000, rate is equal to 12.5, that is 12 and a half, 25 by 2, total days 365 days, remember by 365 days. So total days we have got 146 days. January 7, February 28, March 31, April 30th, May 31, June 19. So altogether 146 days. So if you take them in the term of year, 365 days, so 2 by 5 years your time. So here I have done the work in the board. You can see. So rupees 4,000 is the simple interest. So he has to give back this 80,000 plus 4,000. Here is the thing. Therefore, amount equals to principal plus SI. So 80,000 plus 4,000. So rupees 84,000. Therefore, Numan will pay back 84,000 rupees to bank. Now, new thing you are going to know. How to find principal. We have formula. Principal equals to 100 into SI by rate into time. What sum of money will fetch rupees 1,000 at simple interest in 2.5 years at 12.5% per annum. Solution. Here SI is equal to 1000, rate 7.5, time 2.5. So you have to convert them into the fraction, like 2.5 will be 5 by 2. Here I have shown you. So when you calculate the principal, you will get like this, and your principal will be 5,333 rupees 33 paise. Question number 4. A sum of rupees 16,000 earns a simple interest of rupees 2,500 in 2.5 years. Find the rate of interest per annum. Here you are finding the rate of per interest. So rate, if you want to find out the rate of interest, then again SI into 100 by principal and time. Here is the solution I have given you. We know rate is equal to 100 into SI by P into T. So when you work it out for the rate, you are finding the rate. So 100 into 2,500 into 2 by 16,000 into 5, that will be down below. And then you are getting 25 by 4%, that is 1 by 4%, or you can write 6.25%. So rate percent is 6.25%. This is the answer. Working out is bit difficult. You have to exercise this practice almost every day, especially the tables and the divisions are very important, multiplication tables. Question number 5. How long will it take for a sum of rupees 15,000 invested at 12% per annum simple interest to amount to rupees 27,000? That means 15,000 investment and getting 27,000. So here is 12,000 rupees SI. How to calculate SI? I have shown you over here how to calculate SI equals to amount minus principal. So 27,000 minus 15,000, then you are getting 12,000 rupees. That is your simple interest. Remember it. Simple interest is not mentioned. So in that case, you have to be very careful. So now we know that time is equal to SI into 100 by P into R. So here is the calculation. So 12,000 into 100 by 15,000 into 12. So 20 by 3. That means 2 by 3 years. That means 6 years, 8 months. That is your answer. Here also calculations are a bit tricky. You have to work it out on your own, then only you can gain the confidence and you can work out correctly in the examination hall. Remember it. So your knowledge of multiplication table and the knowledge of division has to be quite strong if you want to do well in this type of mathematics. Question number 6. What time money will be doubled at 6.25% per annum? That means the rate is given over here. Time is not mentioned. Even principal is not given. Even simple interest is not given. So, but clue is given that money will be doubled. Here what we do, that we always take principal as 100 rupees. So since it is becoming double, so your SI will be also 100 rupees. Okay, because how will we are getting, because 100 rupees will become 200 rupees. So 200 minus 100 rupees simple interest we are getting. Okay, so what will be the time? So there is a formula of time that I have already taught you in my previous sums. Here is the formula. simple interest. This way also you can do simple interest. So 2500T. I have shown you also over here in the board how you got 16 years. That also I have shown you in the board. This fixation is very important. How to set the sums. Okay, that is also very important. Only for your understanding, I have given all the board works as you do not get any conflict. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share this channel among friends. Thank you once again.